Hi, this is Ms. Pavitra Vanshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. In the previous two videos in the series, we have seen what is the importance of branding. Yes, so what is the definition, what is brand equity, and how far it is important, what is the role played. Okay, and one more thing is like what are the branding strategies. Okay, and the next one is what are the branding ways, how can we measure the brand success. So in this video we are going to see about the challenges in branding. There are various challenges in branding. Yes, I hope like everybody knows, maybe if for example, if you're going to start a business. Okay, so we have to develop the business first, and then we have to brand the business. So there are so many processes in between where we once to be reach into the for the brand. Am I clear? So there are different challenges. So the first one is market saturation. In a highly competitive market, brands must develop innovative strategies to gain the consumer attention. Okay, we know what is a market saturation. For example, like we know the life cycle of a product. So introduction stage, the growth stage, the maturity stage, and the declining stage. So in fact, if we want to cross the maturity stage and if we want to again develop a product, there must be some innovation. So this is what a market saturation can be done. If possible, we can maintain the purpose, okay, or we can innovate something through the ways, and we have different opportunities where we can brand. So in the place of market saturation, so once there is a saturation in the market, we have to innovate something with the product, with the brand. So there must be some innovation, there must be some development. So that is how a brand can be developed, and then the market saturation. So this is what a thing we have to innovate. The next is changing consumer preferences. So each and every consumer or every individual had different perceptions, had different preferences, etc. So brand needs to adapt their strategies need to meet the evolving consumers' tastes and remain appealing. So once we want to appeal or remain appealing in the market, we have to satisfy the needs and wants of the customer preferences, the changing consumer preferences, everything has to be done. So this is the second challenge we are facing in brand. The third is managing brand reputation. So once we have created a brand, okay, like proactive management should be done. So proactive management of public image and efficient response to negative publicity are crucial of brands. We have to maintain the brand's perception, brand's reputation without any negativity. Am I clear? So these are the challenges which are being faced in branding. The next one is last is the key takeaways on branding. So first one is long-term investment. So once we have invested for our brand, it has been invested for a long term. It is not like every month renewal has to be done or every month we have to invest. But if we want to upgrade it, we can done. So, but once if it is done, brand, it is a long-term investment. The second is branding is a long-term investment requiring efforts and resources. In fact, efforts and resources are very necessary to brand. Adaptability. So successful brands evolve with market trends and needs. So we have to satisfy the needs and wants of the consumers in the market. So the adaptability is very important. The third one is emphasis on innovation. Brand focused on innovation are likely to thrive. So this is what the three key takeaways on branding. So in this slide, we have seen what are the challenges faced by the branding and what are the key takeaways, uh, in branding. So the challenges is like, as we saw, it is about the market saturation one. Second one is the changing consumer preferences. The third one is what? The managing brand reputation. So these are the three challenges faced in marketing. And the key takeaways, it is a long-term investment, as I already said, and the adaptability and the emphasis on innovation. Thank you.